Good morning all. I Razia Pathan from Gnanmanjari Vidyavit, standard 3rd. So students, after a long time we have to meet, right? हम लोग बहुत ही long time के बाद मिले हैं. दिवाली आप सबकी बहुत ही अच्छे से गई होगी, right? So today we will start unit number 5, maths unit number 5, 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication. 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication आज हम सीखेंगे, ठीक है. सो इन दैट वो 2-digit मल्टीप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले वी हैव टू फॉलो स्किप काउंटिंग, ठीक है. हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सीखेंगे स्किप्स काउंटिंग. सो स्किप काउंटिंग के लिए स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 लाइक दैट वी हैव टू कंप्लीटेड दैट. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन इजी फॉर अस. Okay, so let's start. Skip counting and multiplication. Worksheet number first, page number 5. Worksheet number first, page number 5. So I hope so आप सबके पास अपनी workbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, all the things with you आप लोगों के पास होगा. And let's start our unit number 5. 2 and 3-digit multiplication, skip counting and multiplication, worksheet number first. So let's start that. So worksheet number first, page number 5, skip counting by 1. So in that skip counting by 1, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have to write here? We have to write here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and in the last 10. So this one is a completed about skip counting by 1. Now look at this and write it down in your workbook. Next one question is skip counting by 2. So in the 2, 4, 6. Now we have to हमें कितने numbers skip करने 2. So 6 after 6, 7, 8. Right? So what we have to write here? 8, 9 and 10. So here we have to write 10. 10 after 11, 12. So here we have to write 12. 12 after 30, 40. So here we have to write 40. 50 and 16. So here we have to write 60. 17, 18. So here we have to write 18. 90 and 20. So in the last we have to write 20. So skip counting by 2. So in that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Now next one is skip counting by 3. Next one is skip counting by 3. So in that 3 after 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. After that 7, 8, 9. So here we have to write 9. 10, 11, 12. So here we have to write 12. 30, 40, 50. So here we have to write 50. 60, 70, 80. Here we have to write 80. 90, 20, 21. So after that skip count 21, 22, 23, 24. So here we have to write 24, 25, 26, 27. Here we have to write 27, 28, 29, 30. So in the last we have to write 30, 30. Okay. So in the skip counting by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. skip counting by 2. So in that we have to write here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Skip counting by 3. So in that 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. Okay, let's start that. Now next we will start skip counting by 4. Skip counting by 4. So in that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have to write 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have to write 12. 30, 40, 50, 60. So here we have to write 60. 70, 80, 90, 20. So next we have to write 20. Why we have followed this all the steps? Because in a we have here last box. So last box तक हमें क्या करना है, blank से वो complete करनी है, ठीक है. That's the reason continue we are doing. 20 after 24 count करना है. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So here we have to write 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. So in here 28 we have to write here 28. 29, 30, 31, 32. Here we have to write 32. 33, 34, 35, 36. Here we have to write 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So in the last we have to write 40. Okay. Now skip counting by 5. So in that 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we have to write 10. Skip counting by 5. So here we have to write 10. 10 after 10. Then 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. So after 10 we have to write 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. So after 50 we have to write here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 20 we have to write here 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So after 25 we have to write here 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So after 30 we have to write here 35. So like that we have to write here 14, 45 and in a last 50. Okay, so in a skip counting what we have to do, 1 to 5 numbers में from 1 to 5 numbers में skip counting by हमने किया, ठीक है. Skip counting by 1, skip counting by 2, skip counting by 3, skip counting by 4 and skip counting by 5. So now look at the skip counting by 1, 2 and 3 already completed, right? So now you have to write the skip counting by 4 and 5 in your workbook. So let us start writing. Okay, write it down in your workbook. I will give you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we will start next topic. Okay students, so our next question is complete the multiplication tables given below. Okay, so in that help of the skip counting, okay, skip counting की हेल्प से हम टेबल्स को है वो अच्छे से हम लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. मल्टीप्लिकेशंस के टेबल्स For example, here is a 1 ones are 1. So in a skip counting में क्या है 1 ones are 1. So यहाँ पे आंसर क्या है 1. So what we have to write here 1. 1 twos are 2. So what we have to write 2. Okay. So like that only we will complete the table. So look at this. Complete the multiplication tables below. 1 ones are 1. What we have to write here? 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. Okay students. So now see, हमने जब skip counting by 1 किया था, at that time what we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So skip counting की हेल्प से भी हम टेबल्स लिख सकते हैं और आइदर मल्टीप्लाई करके भी हम टेबल्स लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9 and 1 tens are 10. So ये जो टेबल से ये हमारा टेबल नंबर 1 कंप्लीट हुआ. ओके. नाउ टेबल नंबर 2 भी हम साथ में फिनिश करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू द टाइम. एट द टाइम यू हैव टू राइट इन योर वर्कबुक. ओके. सो इन दैट टेबल नंबर 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2 हम करेंगे. सो which answer we will get? 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 60. 2 nines are 80. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So here skip counting by 4. Skip counting by 2. When we write the skip counting by 2, at that time which answer we have to write? Let's see. हाँ, हमने क्या लिखा था at that time? See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Same answer we will get from the multiplications. Right? Multiplications tables में भी क्या है? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 40. 2 eights are 60. 2 nines are 80. 2 tens are 20. Now look at these sums and write it. Look at these tables and write it down in your workbook. Okay, students. So let's start writing. You have to write in your notebook. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start that. Write the table number 1 and table number 2 in your notebook. Okay students, so I hope so table number फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड मल्टीप्लीकेशंस के वो कंप्लीट हो चुके होंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टेबल नंबर 3. So in a table number 3 we have to fill this, right? So 3 ones are 3. What? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Skip counting by 3. Remember that things also in a skip counting by 3 we have to write same the things. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So multiplication by the 3, at that time we have to write 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay, now we'll start next one. 4. Table number 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay students, so skip counting by 4. At that time we have to write 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So ये सारे आंसर्स हमने स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 4 में भी मिले थे राइट. सो दिस वन ऑल मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय 4. अगर हम नंबर 1 to 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 से, सो वी हैव टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट्स 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. 4. I'll repeat the tables once again. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, in the last 4 tens are 40. Now next one table is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay students, so when we write the skip counting by 5, at that time which answer will get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 15. So let's see. 5 ones are 5. Everyone repeat with me, okay? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Now look at these three tables and write it down in your notebook. If 3 tables है तो table number 3, table number 4 and table number 5 you have to write in your workbook. आप लोगों को किस में लिखना है? ये वर्कबुक में आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दिस एंड कंप्लीट योर वर्कबुक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल गिव यू 3 or 4 minutes. You have to complete this. So students, table number 3rd, 4th, 5th, ठीक है. 1, 3rd, 4th, 5th आप लोगों ने आपकी वर्कबुक में लिख लिए होंगे. सो वर्कशीट नंबर 1 यहाँ पे हमारी कंप्लीट होती है, ठीक है. बिकॉज इन द वर्कशीट नंबर 1 क्या हमने लिखा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट द स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 1 to 5 तक हमने लिखा. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन टेबल्स 1 to 5, that one. So that worksheet is completed. Now we have to start worksheet number 2. विच वर्कशीट हमने स्टार्ट की है? कौन सी वर्कशीट अभी हमने स्टार्ट की है? वर्कशीट नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 6. ओके, सो इन दैट हियर ऑल्सो स्किप काउंटिंग, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने जो सीखा था वो कौन सा था? स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 1 to 5. Now we have to start skip counting by 6. Okay, so here some steps are completed. For example, 6, 12, 18, 24. So after 24 we have to again counting 6. Okay, so let's start. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So what we have to write here? 30, 30. After that 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So here we have to write 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So here we have to write 42. 42 after which number is remain? Okay, let's find it out. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So here we have to write 48. 49, 50, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So what we have to write here? 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So in the last we have to write here 60, 60. Okay. Now continue with the skip counting by 7. After that both these things we have to write together. Okay. So here 7, 40 and 21. So skip counting by 7. So we have to consider 7 number here. So 21, 22, 23, 22, 21 is here. So we will start from the 22. Okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So here we have to write 28. 29, 30, 31, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here we have to write 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So what we have to write here? 42. 42 after 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So here we have to write 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So what we have to write here? 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So here we have to write 63. 63 up is 67, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. So here we have to write 70, 70. So skip counting by 7. At that time which answer we will get? 7, 40, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 17. Now look at this both and write it down in your notebook. Skip counting by 7 and skip counting by 6 and skip counting by 7. Write it down in your notebook. Okay students? Okay students, so हम लोगों ने skip counting by 6 and skip counting by 7 complete किया. Now homework time. Okay. तो होमवर्क में आप लोगों को क्या करना है? होमवर्क में skip counting by 8, 9 and 10 and complete the multiplication tables 6 to 10. 6 to 10 के मल्टीप्लीकेशंस के टेबल से वो आप लोग कंप्लीट करोगे और skip counting by 8, 9 और 10 भी आप लोग कंप्लीट करोगे yourself and tally the answers. हम लोग आंसर्स टैली करेंगे. आई विल सेंड द पिक्चर्स इन अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. सो आप लोग वहां से आंसर से अपने टैली कर पाओगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया है हमारा वर्कशीट नंबर फर्स्ट. इन अ वर्कशीट नंबर फर्स्ट हम लोगों ने फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग द स्किप काउंटिंग किया है. ठीक है. So in the filling the blanks skip counting, so in the 1 to 5 numbers are there, skip counting by 5 हम लोगों ने complete किया. After that we have to completed worksheet table number 1 to 5. In a worksheet number 2 में हम लोगों ने क्या किया? skip counting by 6 and 7 से वो मैंने करवा दिया है. ठीक है. और now homework time. होमवर्क में आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do in a homework? जो क्वेश्चन नंबर C, D और E है. ठीक है. skip counting by 8, 9 and 10. That one yours homework and complete the multiplication tables in the 6 to 10. ये भी आप लोगों को क्या करना है? होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करना है. और इसके आंसर से वो जो हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उसमें मैं आप लोगों को सेंड कर दूंगी. सो यू हैव टू टेली द आंसर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ होमवर्क. नाउ स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन. ये आप लोगों को फॉलो करना है. ठीक है. होमवर्क के डेली बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स है वो फर्स्ट सेम में क्या किया था कि होमवर्क के वो लोग है वो लेट सेंड करते थे. ठीक है. आफ्टर 4 o'clock 5 o'clock. सो नाउ यू हैव द टाइम. आप लोगों को स्कूल में से टाइम दिया गया है होमवर्क के लिए. ठीक है. सो वो टाइम पे ही आपको होमवर्क, अगर रेगुलरिटी आपको अपनी शो करनी है, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ऑन टाइम होमवर्क करके बिफोर 3 o'clock आप लोगों को हमें सबमिट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? होमवर्क है वो प्लीज 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 सेंड इट बिफोर 3 o'clock. बिफोर 3 o'clock आप लोग होमवर्क हमें सबमिट करवाओगे एनी हाउ. ठीक है. देन आपकी रेगुलरिटी है वो काउंट होगी. ओके. क्योंकि रेगुलरिटी के मार्क्स होते हैं ना स्कूल में, सो वो मार्क्स यहाँ पे भी कंसिडर करने हैं हमें. दैट्स द रीजन यू हैव टू सेंड योर होमवर्क बिफोर 3 o'clock. ओके. सो होमवर्क आप लोगों को आपका मालूम है, उसके आंसर्स आप लोगों को मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दूंगी. सो यू हैव टू टेली द आंसर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. बाय एवरीवन.